You're blind, Judge.
But I'm going to vouch for every one of them. They're all fine, upright citizens, except maybe the dog. And then one from Texas. And the one from Texas, yeah. I don't know about him. But with that in mind, I want you to know that this is a legal hanging. They found him guilty, and they said hang him. What are you hanging him for? Show the sheriff where we're
We're going to see this, Judge.